The history of the Revelstoke Railway is deeply intertwined with the development of the town and the broader expansion of the Canadian Pacific Railway, CPR, in the late 19th century. Revelstoke, located in British Columbia, emerged as a pivotal hub for the railway, contributing significantly to the economic and social fabric of the region. In the 1880s, the CPR was engaged in the ambitious project of constructing a transcontinental railway to connect the east and west coasts of Canada. Revelstoke, strategically positioned in the heart of the Selkirk Mountains, became a crucial point on this route due to its challenging terrain and the need for a divisional point where trains could be serviced. The completion of the last spike in Craigellachie in 1885 marked a significant milestone in the construction of the CPR, and soon after, Revelstoke became a bustling railway town. The town's economy thrived on the activities surrounding the railway, including maintenance shops, roundhouses, and a locomotive depot. The Big Hill, a formidable stretch of track near Revelstoke, posed a significant engineering challenge. In 1909, the spiral tunnels were completed, easing the grade and allowing trains to navigate the treacherous terrain more efficiently. This engineering feat further solidified Revelstoke's importance in the railway network. Throughout the years, Revelstoke Railway played a vital role in transporting goods, passengers, and resources, facilitating trade and commerce in the region. The railway brought prosperity to the town, attracting settlers and businesses that contributed to its growth. As technology advanced, diesel locomotives replaced steam engines, and the railway industry underwent transformations. Revelstoke's significance as a railway hub persisted, adapting to the changing times and maintaining its role in the transportation network. Today, while the railway continues to be a vital part of Revelstoke's identity, the town has evolved beyond its railway origins, embracing tourism and outdoor recreation. The history of the Revelstoke Railway remains imprinted on the town's landscape, a testament to its enduring legacy in shaping the development of this picturesque Canadian community. Indeed, the vibrant spectacle of autumn's colors is a fleeting treasure, gracing the landscape for only a brief period each year. Nature's transition from the lush greens of summer to the fiery reds, oranges, and yellows of fall is a transient dance, captivating our senses and painting the world in hues that evoke both nostalgia and awe. As the days grow shorter and temperatures drop, deciduous trees prepare for the winter slumber by shedding their leaves. This process, while essential for the survival of the trees, creates the spectacular mosaic of colors that defines autumn. The crisp air and the gentle rustle of leaves underfoot contribute to the sensory richness of the season. Yet, the brevity of autumn adds to its allure. The ephemeral nature of the colorful display encourages us to savor every moment, urging us to immerse ourselves fully in the beauty that surrounds us. It becomes a reminder to appreciate the transitory nature of life, where moments of brilliance are often brief but eternally cherished. In the compressed time frame of autumn, there lies a lesson, a reminder to embrace the present, to revel in the beauty that exists in the here and now. The vibrant hues may vanish as winter approaches, but their memory remains imprinted in our minds, a source of warmth during the colder months. So, as the leaves fall and the landscape transitions to winter's hush, the memory of the colorful scene lingers, creating a tapestry of recollections that will be eagerly anticipated when the cycle of seasons brings forth the next chapter of autumn's brilliance.
Schweigens, Flüstern, Geigen, hab mich lieb. All die Schritte sagen, bitte hab mich lieb. Jeder druckt ihr Hände, deutlich missbeschrieb. Ihr sagt klar, es ist wahr, du hast mich lieb.
Bei jedem Walzer schrie